For this video, we're checking out this portable cordless pressure washer, and this is one of the most versatile compact units that I've tested. And what's really nice about this is that you don't have to hook it up to a water hose or an electrical outlet. It's got a built-in 4.5 gallon tank, an IPX5 waterproof rating, and it runs on a 21 volt battery that is Makita-compatible. So that makes it perfect for washing cars, camping, cycling, or even rinsing off the salt on your vehicle in the wintertime. Now it weighs only 14 pounds, and with the four-wheel design, it's easy to move around. You get two swivel casters up front for smooth steering, and two large rear wheels with bearings that keep it stable even when the tank is full. So you just pull the high pressure hose and the unit follows right along with you. There are 3 different pressure modes: low at 625 PSI for gentle rinsing. You do have a medium setting at 675 PSI for things like garden tools or bikes, and a high pressure setting at 725 PSI for tougher jobs like decks, vinyl siding, or driveways. The motor is quiet too, running at about 65 decibels, so it's not overly loud. You also get 2 unique nozzles. The first one here is 6-in-1 nozzle, letting you quickly switch spray patterns for anything from a shower to a direct jet. And the pivot nozzle rotates 180 degrees vertically, which makes cleaning things like your car roof or the wheel wells much easier. Cleanup is really simple too. You just pop out the battery, disconnect the hose and the spray gun, and everything fits perfectly right inside the tank. So if you're looking for a pressure washer that is easy to move, powerful enough for multiple tasks, and runs cordless on its own tank, this one right here is a great choice. Thanks for watching.